If you own a restaurant and you need a website, but you don't know the right ingredients for the recipe, or how to optimize your current website to get more online orders and more customers through your doors. Let's roll! What's going on, guys? My name is Jose Silvera. I have 7 years of experience developing and designing websites. Now, before we start, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button so you keep getting this amazing content that I make for you guys every week. First ingredient, header menu. You need a navigation menu that represents the style of your restaurant, and you should also put your social media icons and your phone number. Second ingredient, video hero section. Make a video showing people's favorite dishes and or the best restaurant spaces. Then above the video, do a big claim, most delicious Mexican restaurant in town. Then next to that, put a big order now button. Third ingredient, show the specials and prices. Let people know what the best dishes are along with the pricing. Then at the end, put another order now button. Fourth ingredient, customer reviews. Showcase your best reviews from trusted sources like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Fifth ingredient, history of your restaurant. Tell people how everything started, and this will create a connection with your customers. You also want to show some old throwback pictures, followed by another order now button. Sixth ingredient, catering and other services. On this section, you're gonna talk about any other services that you offer, like catering, parties, or special orders. Seventh ingredient, simple footer. Just make sure that it shows all the relevant links and is easy to read. If you have a website and you do all these things that I taught you today, your customers are gonna love your website and they're gonna buy from you. Again, subscribe, like, click the bell button so you keep getting this amazing content that I create for you guys every week, so you guys can learn how to dominate your competition. Peace!